So you're telling me that Fisker and QuantumScape are in a better position for better future growth than Lordstown Motors, giving Lordstown an $18 price target and Fisker a $27 price target? Are you having a laugh? What's happening, ladies and gents? Welcome to the video and channel. It is Frankie. Today we are talking about Morgan Stanley and who was it? Let's have a little quick look. And then analyst Adam Jones initiated coverage of QuantumScape, Fisker, Lordstown and Romeo Power. He goes into the price targets, and to be fair, they're BS. Absolute bullshit. So I'm going to go over why sometimes we should do our own due diligence, and regardless of these higher ups, remember that even though I can't say they're market manipulating, we can't actually say that. It looks that way at certain times, especially when they have a stake in the company already that they're now bearish on. Or not a stake, well, they have shares. So we'll look into that. You have to prove me wrong on that one, but I'll get it up anyway. So this is Fisker we're talking about. Every car company needs a flagship model, and Fisker has the Ocean, an EV SUV with a mid-range price of $37,500, yada yada yada. The vehicle features stylish design and room-mounted solar panels to supplement the charging system. He goes on to say, Morgan Stanley's Jonas is impressed by this company, describing the value proposition of Fisker as design, time to market, clean sheet user experience and management expertise. Fisker obviously looking to do their lithium batteries as well as the EV SUV. QuantumScape and Fisker offer the most compelling strategies and positive risk reward, while Lordstown and Romeo, though holding interesting commercial potential, have less attractive growth rates and risk reward, Jonas said in a note. So he's talking about growth rate. So September production for Lordstown, 57 beta vehicles coming up for crash testing. Camping World sort of collaborations, electric Sprinter van to be released whenever, with sold by Camping World itself, 600 average order size by fleet management, facility planning to be second behind Tesla, summer pre-production for their actual endurance vehicle, and hopefully in a couple years first full-size electric pickup truck. All that potential, but yet this man believes that Lordstown has a lack of growth opportunities. It's funny how when a big dog like Morgan Stanley has something to say, QuantumScape, these two, the ones that they're bullish on, jump. The two that they're bearish on for the time being have lowered. So Morgan Stanley here, I use Ticker Terminal to find this. Let me know, they might have changed it. I'm not too sure. I don't know how long this takes to update this website, but they currently have 31,493 shares of the company itself. It doesn't actually say this holding is like a percentage in their portfolio. So they actually hold Lordstown Motors, according to my knowledge. What, you want a cheaper price, do you? Is that what you're looking for, Morgan? Morgan Stanley had taken like the $30 we were sitting at to a $26.91 in one day. It shows you the impact of a statement from such a big dog like that. They could say anything and have a lot of people who maybe aren't fully aware of what the company does react so drastically. If we take a look at the MACD, we have just, let me zoom in if I can. I can't. All right, never mind. We have just crossed the yellow line, meaning we're now downwards. We're going down in a trend. I don't really, according to this, so I'm not going to really pay attention to that. Don't really care. RSI, again, we're now sort of in that fair value range. The last time we were down in and oversold was 2 months ago, pretty much. So 2 months ago, your history has said literally we go up to an overbought, and we're kind of hitting that level of where we are now of oversold or fair value. So again, I'm not going to read too much into it. They've done the damage pretty much in one day of what they wanted to do. We might go lower. If we do go lower, again, wonderful, absolutely brilliant, because we know how good the company is and how the prospect and the future growth could, at the end of the day, this company could fail 100%. Is it going to? I don't believe it is. I personally have done my own due diligence to think that this company is in a good position for future growth. First to market means everything. Everything that Steve Burns is saying is impressive. And that's it. We'll leave it at that. Just just really grinds my gears, and it grinds everyone's gears who's into a company, and just to have, you know, a word of someone like that drive it down so drastically, it is a bit annoying. But again, thinking of it as a silver lining, buying opportunity if you haven't already, or you're waiting for a dip, it's a great opportunity, and it's up to you to let it go as low as you can to get in, or if you want to jump out, you know, you do whatever you want to do. At the end of the day, it's your money. If you want to sell it all now, you sell it all. If you want to buy more, you buy more. Do whatever you want. But what I'm going to be doing is looking for it to go down further, to buy some more shares, and just watch the space. Really, I ain't selling. I'm not motherfucking selling. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking. Are you bullish or bearish on Lordstown? What do you think of the article itself? What do you think of Morgan Stanley's statements? Do you agree, disagree? Do you think it's market manipulation? Do you think it's just honest? Let me know what you're thinking, and I'll always respond to everyone. Anyway, I'm going to leave you to it. Have a good one, and if you can help me out, get to 100 subscribers, that would be much appreciated, and that is the goal for the next week or two. Peace out, people. Have a good one.